Hey there, my name's Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. And I wanted to give you a quick update on how we're doing here at the channel and tell you what I'll be doing over the next 2 weeks, which includes going to Google I/O. So if you want to find out what I'm doing, please let me explain. So we'll just start off by saying we've now arrived at 18,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So a big thank you to everybody who subscribed. As I said in my last State of the Channel video, my target is 20,000. We're just a little bit away, and I'm sure we're going to hit that very, very soon. So again, a big thank you to everybody. It's also been interesting looking at the statistics and actually seeing that the most popular videos have been that one where I talked about the rumor of Apple moving its Macs over to using an ARM chip, and also the review of Ubuntu 18.04. They have been the most popular videos. So that's been really interesting to see what my viewers are finding interesting, what kind of is trending, and what has kind of had less views on it. Now, as I said in the introduction, the next 2 weeks I'm going to be doing lots of traveling. So on Monday, I'm filming this now on Thursday. On Monday, I fly out to San Francisco to go to Mountain View and to Google's I/O event, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. And then after that, I've got a chance to do a road trip with a Tesla car, and I want to document the whole experience about that. And then I'm going to another event which is under NDA, so I can't tell you about that, but it's a very important thing that I'm going to. And then I'm coming back, and so normal service here for the normal videos should be around about the end of May. We'll start posting on a more regular basis. But while I'm gone, I do want to try and get up a few videos about what's been going on, and also of course I'll be posting on Android Authority about what's going on at Google I/O. So as I've mentioned, I'm going to Google I/O. It's the first time I'm actually going to this event. I'm really, really excited to go. And I think we're going to see lots of interesting things. I think we're going to find out more about Android P. That's the next version of Android that's coming out. I want to find out more about Google and what they're doing with machine learning and how programmers and developers can access their machine learning. I think we're going to find out more about IoT in terms of Android things and other things like Android Auto. And there's also talk that there may be a new dongle that Google are releasing that will bring Android TV to a normal TV via a HDMI port in a similar vein to the Chromecast, but actually using full Android TV experience. So all those things are really exciting. I'm booked up to loads of the developer sessions. I really want to get to meet some of the key Google employees there. So if any Googlers are watching this, I want to come and meet you. And so it's going to be a really good time. I'll be there with two of my colleagues from Android Authority. That's Robert Triggs and David Imel. So as I said, I'm going to be away for 2 weeks. I will be trying to post some videos while I'm on the road, but there won't be the regular number of videos that we've been having up until now. But I will also be using Twitter and Instagram. So that's Gary Explains on Twitter, Gary Explains on Instagram. And really, it's good if you can actually follow me there, because I won't be able to post on YouTube, but you can find out what I'm doing and where I'm going, see some photos of the events and so on, see some photos of this, maybe of this Tesla on those channels. So it'd be really good if you could follow me there and keep up to date with what's going on. And finally, if you want to find out anything about the Tesla or about Google I/O, please do leave a comment below and I'll read through them so I can find out what kind of things you're interested in, what questions I should be asking, what things I should be finding out, so I can get you the best information. Well, my name's Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and well, I'll see you in a couple of weeks.